This video will show you how to make YouTube logo without Photoshop step by step. First, open Google Chrome and go to website pixlr.com. Then click on Pixlr Editor. Click Create New. Create new file with size width 800 and height 800. Click Create button. Use Text tool to insert text you want. I will type A. You can change font in here. If you want to use your font, open new tab, go to dafont.com. Find your font. I want use Nelda font, so I will find it. Click Download button to save this font to your computer. Unzip this font file. Then click Add Local Font button. Select Nelda font. You can change size of text. Open new tab, go to pixabay.com. Find polygon texture. I will use this picture, so click on this picture, click Free Download, click Download. Go to Layer menu, choose Add Image as Layer. Then select the polygon texture picture. Move polygon layer under the text layer. Use Wand Select tool. Click on text to make selection. Select polygon layer. Then invert selection. Press Delete button on your keyboard. Move text layer under polygon layer. Press Ctrl D to deselect selection. Edit Free Transform to change size of logo. Hide the text layer. You can see, there are some portion image need to remove. Use Lasso Select tool. Select all portion image want to remove. Then press Delete button. Deselect selection. Resize this logo, move it to center of background. Then add stroke for text. find background picture. I will use this picture. Download it to save to your computer. Layer, add image as layer. Choose background picture. Move background layer under logo layer. Adjustment, hue and saturation. Drag slider to adjust color of logo. Click Apply to save setting. Filter, drop and shadow. Click Apply to save setting. Select background layer. Adjust brightness and contrast. Adjust hue and saturation for background picture. File, save. Choose quality 100%. Type name. Then click Download button. Now I will change logo for YouTube channel. Click on Avatar, then choose Edit. Click Upload photo. Select the logo picture. After that, click Done. Don't forget subscribe for more how to make logo and Photoshop tutorial coming soon.